Welcome to my channel guys. My name is Hardik. In the previous video, we have seen how we can do the destructuring of an array and object. In this video, we will see how we can use arrow function. Okay. So I have created this user array. So it has 3 users and each user has a status. Okay. So for the John and Frank, we have a active status. So now let's see if I want to only get the active users from this array. Okay, so first let's see how we can do using the ES5. Okay, so for that I can use the filter method. So I can do users dot filter. Now filter method will take function as an argument, so I will say function. Okay, now here what will happen, so each time it will loop through the each object, and from there we can check the user is active or not. Okay, so we'll take the parameter user, and then we will check if user dot is active equal to true. Now we can omit this equal to true since this is a boolean, so we don't have to do that explicitly, and here at the end we can just do the return. Okay, now the whole result we can store in one variable. Let's say result, and we can just say console.log using the result like that. Okay, let's run this program in terminal. So we are already see that we are getting the John and Frank, who has a active status to true, so we are getting the result. Now let's write the same program using the ES6. Okay, so let's do ES6 way. So here first we will start with the users dot filter. Now here we had the function and like that, and for each user, and just repeating the same program I have written above. Okay, now how we can omit that is we can omit the function keyword here, and here we can put the fat arrow function. Okay, that is one improvement. So let me again write the console log here. So we'll just copy paste the same, and first see we are getting the result. So we are still getting the result. This is from second console log. Now here we can improve one more thing. So if in the arrow function we have the only we have only the single parameter, then we can omit that, so we don't need that. Okay, and if inside this block if we have only single statement, then we can also omit this bracket, as well as we can omit the return keyword. Okay, so let's see. Okay, first see we have the results here, so we are still getting the result. Now you can compare this code to this one. This is much neat and clean, and it's easy to read. Okay, so that was the arrow function. So if you guys find any value in this video, if you learn anything, you can do subscribe to my channel. I will keep posted the new videos with the new features. So ES6 has not only these features that we have explored, it has other features as well. So do let me know in the comment box, and if you guys like the video, I will create the other videos on the other features. Thank you guys.